Seabury designs technological, educational and innovative solutions to transform the training for Industry 4.0. Soldamatic, together with the e-learning tool, allows the user to acquire the necessary skills and practical experience to quickly move into real environment. The users can return to their augmented reality simulator at any time to practice and refine skills where they may have difficulties. These learning processes are called Augmented Training Methodology, and it's designed to promote intensive practices in a dynamic and flexible way. But let's go step by step. Considering that you're an instructor, do you know what Soldamatic e-learning is? Soldamatic e-learning is a learning management system application for the management and development of courses. The access to this tool can either be online through your usual browser or through a desktop application with a very simple connection process. There are even more features. Soldamatic e-learning also allows you to create content. As a teacher, you can create practical and theoretical content from the beginning. There are also predefined courses content available in different languages provided by the American Weld Society, DVS, CSOL, among other well-known welding societies. In fact, the student will be able to download a Soldamatic diploma certifying the successful accomplishment of the course. Managing students. You can register your students by introducing their contact details, and they will have access to their own profiles with a customized password through the student e-learning platform. This parallel platform allows the students to be aware of their own progress by checking the courses, content and practices that they're involved in. Leave the classroom at the same time if you own one or more simulators. The Augmented Lab can be configured from the e-learning platform very simply. Monitor the progress of your students. You can observe the graphics for progress of each student, create exams, and then download individual predefined reports of their results. There are endless evaluation possibilities. Interaction between the teacher and students in real time. Another feature offered by the e-learning platform is a virtual classroom, where you'll be able to watch your students' real-time execution thanks to the Share View option. Furthermore, notifications of sites of the classroom window will be received as well on this platform. This is a good way of monitoring your students while they follow their own rhythm of learning. With the chat section, which allows continuous interaction, you also lead the class at the same time. The instructor can communicate with the students individually or by broadcasting messages. Even if there's no internet connection, messages will be updated once the connection is restored. Do not miss the opportunity to discover Soldamatic e-learning.